End screens. If you're a YouTube content creator, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about. At the end of every video, YouTube gives you the ability to link to other videos, to add your subscribe button, to link to your website, to even link to somebody else's channel. End screens can be really important to driving more views, more subscribers, and more traffic to your channel, but it's hard to know exactly how to use them so they don't end up putting elements over your face or covering some important part of your video. So today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to use them and how to do it better using Filmora. And I'm gonna give you some free end screen graphics that you can use today to make your very next video look better. So stick around to the end. The first thing you'll need to learn is how to apply these end screen graphics in Filmora. You have to remember that YouTube only allows end screens to appear at the very end of your video. You want your end screen to be somewhere between 6 and 12 seconds long, so bring your footage down into your timeline, then in the track above it, bring down your end screen element. We're going to readjust the size of your footage, so start by locking your end screen element track in place, and then click on the preview window to resize your main footage track. Adjust it to where you like it, and you're ready for export. Because I'm in the same scene with the end screen graphics, I can also say things like, if you want to learn more, check out some of these videos right here, or down here, or over there. See, my ability to interact with these elements changes the ability for them to really start getting clicks. Once you've uploaded your video into YouTube, click on the end screen tab and you'll see you have the ability to add elements. The end screens I've created use some of the preset configurations that YouTube provides, so you don't have to worry about placing them properly. Just choose the one that corresponds with the free end screen template that I gave you and you'll be good to go. I do make affordable custom end screens, so if the free ones I provided don't work for you, feel free to reach out to me through my website. I'm giving all of these away free from my website, and I'll be adding more in the upcoming weeks. I'll drop a link in the first comment below, so be sure to check that out to get yours. But remember, don't forget to subscribe and check out some of the other stuff you can do with Filmora to make your videos really stand out. Peace.